Hello guys, this is Progress FS speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be teaching you specifically how to manage risk in Forex. And of course, it's going to be in 5 different sessions. The session 1 will be what to look for and the basic risk to manage. Basic things to do and of course do in the Forex market in weekly basis, and of course what to look for in monthly basis at the same time. So the second version of course will be what to look for in weekly basis in the Forex market once you open your chart, and of course the third phase will be what to look for on daily basis in the market, and the fifth will be what to look for in every 4 hours in the market, and of course the fifth one will be the things to look at every 1 hour in the market to of course guide your entry points. So the same way, for instance, is the same way I will break down the risk management. So of course as you can see in the test, the risk management or things to look for or how to prepare your mind in the market, and the things to check specifically will be of course flowing in the test. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course turn up the notification button in order to find the rest of the things you need to see and of course do in order to manage your risk while trading. So because of course in the 5 different videos I will break down different things or you need to do in order to prepare your mind while trading. So in this case, as you can see, this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. So let me widen the chart. As you can see, the market is on retracement. So at this point, obviously, you can see that the market is not heading up. Instead, the market is already developed an uptrend. Looking at what I told you about the relative strength index and the moving averages. So, but you will have to watch the older videos in order to know what I said about all this. So, and of course I will flag it in this particular video. You can be able to get the link easily. So when you look at this place, as you know, today is the 31st of October 2020. On the 1st of November, a fractal is going to appear on this particular candle, indicating that the market is heading down, but of course it is a retracement. But know how the market will have to retrace at least up to this level. So it might be below, but specifically this particular level, 1.1446. It might not be at once. It might not be in this coming month, November, at once, but my point is the market is no longer heading up. It can only retrace up to this particular point, maybe 1.17200, this particular point here, 1.17200 before heading down again. So, but my point is, whenever you open a monthly chart, check the direction of the market in order to center your mind and wait patiently for the smaller time frame. Of course, I will upload more videos on this particular topic, risk management and things to look for every week, every month, every week, every day, every 4 hours and every 1 hour in order to guide you on how to make your entry points. So let's go to different time frames to look at what the market will display. a look at gold, euro, USD, gold, euro. You can see the market is retracing, of course, still heading down. So the option here is to wait patiently for retracement before making an entry. And of course, you should use smaller time frame, like I said, to make your entry point. As your entry point in order to guide you. But you should know anything you are playing against the market direction in monthly chart will hurt you and hurt you severely. That is how it works. So as you can see in the text, of course, these are things specifically you should set your mind on, and of course look critically in. Make sure you guide yourself with what you see in that text before you make decisions in the market. This is very, very necessary. You prepare your mind. So let's check this gold USD, or what they call gold in quote. You can see the market is retracing as it's still heading down. So next candlestick that will come up, of course, might retrace up to this place before pulling down. It might, it's not a must that will. So, but the point is, if you are a daily trader, you can make your entry if you have a reasonable balance in all these pairs. So, and of course, the same way you should check all the pairs you wish to trade for the whole month and determine what to do. So, but do not, I quote, do not make a sell with immediate effect, because of the fact that although some markets, some currencies used to spike down or up while the market open, so before heading to the direction, and that is one of the reasons why you should not make an entry immediately the candlestick comes up, except if you find a reasonable entry point in the smaller time frame, because it's dangerous if you have a smaller account, to make entry in monthly chart, because you really just want to make entry. It doesn't make sense. So it's only advisable to those that has reasonable size of, a reasonable account size, to make entries in monthly basis. And of course, I can go to their work or even travel, forget it. At the end of the month, they come back and take their profit. So, but if you don't have a reasonable balance, do not do that. It's not advisable. So let's go to, let's say, just trying to cut it short, Australia USD, Australia dollars USD. As you can see, the market is still heading down, a kind of retracement. So the point is to guide your mind on where the market is going, so that even if you are trading a retracement and the market is going against you, you should have a reason to take your loss and prepare for next entry. But it will be advisable if you can wait for the market to retrace and make a sell in all these pairs, or based on what you find in other pairs for the market direction, instead of trading against the direction of the market in monthly chart. Sometimes it's good if the market already moved, but if it is not a major retracement, it's not advisable. So in the weekly basis, weekly time frame, of course, I will show you things. This is GBP USD. You can see once the candlestick comes out, this particular November, which is about tomorrow, and of course the market will start on Monday, a fractal will develop here, indicating that the market is really retracing. So definitely you should prepare your mind on the direction of the market and know that the market is still downtrending, so that it will guide your mind on what you wish to do. So in the next video, just like that, you can check other pairs to determine the direction of the market in order to know what you're doing. So in the next video, I will show you how to identify the market direction in weekly chart, and of course to show you of course I put the rest of the text regarding the risk management and what you should look into and set your mind on in this particular every week before making entry or either going into the market. So that's it for this particular video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the other videos in order to find these setups and what I said about these setups. It will help you to improve your trading. See you in the next video.